So we've got this GR Yaris in today with us for EcuTek mapping. Recently EcuTek have updated their software with the latest Racerom, which brings a load of new features including flat foot shifting, launch control, map switching on the steering wheel and rolling anti-lag. This particular car's already got a few modifications fitted, so it'll have more power than standard anyway. It's got an MST intake kit, Airtec intercooler, Miltek sports cat and one of our Whifbitz stainless steel exhaust systems. It's also got a DTUK tuning box fitted. So the plan is to remove the DTUK box, do a power run on our dyno with the stock map, and then we're going to put the DTUK box back on, see what that makes, and then we'll do a custom tune with the EcuTek software. We're also going to do a driving video showing you the features of the EcuTek. Okay, so that's the first run done with a totally stock map. So the benchline power figure is 239 wheel horsepower, which is approximately 290 horsepower at the flywheel. So that's totally stock map, but obviously with the mods that have been fitted to the car, the intake kit, the exhaust, sports cat, intercooler, that's increased the power anyway from the factory figures. So next up we'll try the DTUK box and see what that makes. So the power figure with the DTUK box fitted, it's making 252 wheel horsepower, which is approximately 305 brake horsepower at the flywheel. That's not a bad increase with just a bolt-on tuning box that you can do at home yourself. So now we're going to remove the DTUK box and install the EcuTek software. Right, okay, so that's the mapping finished on the EcuTek software. It's now making 273 wheel horsepower, which is around 329 brake horsepower at the flywheel. So that's gained over the stock map 34 wheel horsepower, which is about 45 brake horsepower at the flywheel. So that's quite a gain over the standard map, and obviously the EcuTek software comes with the added extras like the rolling anti-lag, the launch control and flat foot shifting, which I'm going to show you now. So I thought I'd take you for a quick drive to show you a few of the modes, how to work them. So it's all switchable on the steering wheel, very easy to change. So to change between different map settings, all you've got to do is hold the cancel button down on the steering wheel and it'll change the position of the rev counter, and you can point it to which map setting you want. So 1 on the rev counter is map 1, map 2 is 2 on the rev counter. On this particular car we set up 2 maps, low and high boost. The other cool feature, you've got flat foot shifting, so you don't have to let off the throttle to shift, so you can go keep the throttle pinned to the floor and change gear. also got rolling anti-lag on the steering wheel, so you hold the set button down, floor it, builds the boost, let go of the button, and you got instant boost. Let's do that again. So hold the set button down, floor it, it will build boost, let go of the button, and off you go.